Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get cleavage in 5 minutes with these easy steps. You're just going to need some makeup and a push-up bra. So this is my favorite one. It's called the Up Bra. I've been using it for years. You can look up tutorials on my channel from years ago that I've used it. Here's the version with the strap, and it adds 2 cup sizes to any cleavage. You also have these crisscross adjustable straps that you can pull tighter to get you more cleavage. I'm gonna take this one off, and for example, you pull it a little bit farther. There's little niches where you can put it, and as you can see, it'll make it tighter. So I'm gonna match the other side, and we're done. You also have adjustable closures in the back and this extra piece if you need it. And I have the strapless version, which also has straps if you want them. But as you can see, it has more of a rounder shape. Here they are side by side. So as you can see, this one is rounder and this one has more of that up tilted V. So I'm going to show you both versions with the strap and without it. You can get these on hrxJQ, and I will link the website for you guys in the info box. So for the makeup part, first we're going to need a contour. So I'm going to double contour. I'm going to do a cream and then a powder on top. So for the cream contour, I'm taking this stick, which I will link all the products for you as well. So you want to take a matte shade that is a little bit darker than your own skin tone. And we're going to create the shape that would be if there were a shadow. Then take a blending brush and we're going to blend that out. As you can see, that created cleavage already, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna take a powder bronzer, which also is matte. Make sure it's matte. That's a few shades darker than your skin tone. And again, we're gonna follow that crease, and we're essentially drawing a shadow. One on the other side. If you're doing this for a bikini, you can go even lower, but I'm just doing it on the top because I'm wearing a dress. Now for the highlight, you wanna take a pretty shimmery highlight, and we're gonna just put this on top where the light would hit. So with the shading, with the contour, we want to recede those areas. With the highlight, we want to bring them forward. While you're at it, you can also put a little bit on your collarbones and your shoulders. If you're wearing a pretty dress, it just adds to the whole look. Like that. And now it's time for the bra. So I'm going to use the strapless one because my dress has more of that round shape. And I love that the straps are adjustable. So I'm just going to make it a little bit tighter. There you go. And the other up bra that I have has lasted me for years, and I still have it and wear it all the time. So now, as you can see, we have really nice cleavage, and it only took 5 minutes. And now I also wanted to show you this version without the straps. I'm going to take these off. So it just changed into a different dress. This one is super pretty and frilly, but you cannot even tell I'm wearing the up bra underneath it, just without the straps. And it has nice support, so it doesn't slide off, which I love because I don't have that much cleavage. So whenever I wear strapless bras, they tend to slide down, but not this one. It stays, and it's a really pretty look off the shoulder. And next, I'm going to show you the regular bra with the strap. Again, I'm going to adjust the straps, make them a little bit tighter. So this is what it looks like on, and I'm going to put a little black dress. So this one is a very plain black dress. It almost looks like a tank top, but the extra cleavage definitely dresses it up. And as you can see, it's nicely concealed. It doesn't stand out. Like, it's really pretty even if it does, because it has this little sheen on it. So I love that. And that's it. I wanted to show you guys all of the versions for the 2 bras that I have. But with a little bit of push-up and some makeup tricks, you can get any kind of cleavage that you want. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, add me on Instagram at @K3Chocolate, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.